dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright everyone, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. The headlines. My people, Edo State has hit political crisis after impeachment of 2 local government chairmen. My people, no be small matter they happen for Edo State. Another one I go bring come given after this one. Now concerning PDP don't come out warn commercial banks against conspiring with the Edo State government to alter signatures of accounts of the suspended council chairman. They say they no triumph. My people don't be smart enough, but if I go bring the inventory, I go like welcome all our returning subscribers and viewers. Thank you all so much for joining us on today wonderful news. And to those who be say they join us on today wonderful news for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. So kindly proceed to subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video too. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. So my people, make me dive into the main story. My people, 2 local government chairmen in Yaounde and Orongo areas has been impeached in Edo State as a political crisis engulfed the Edo State. My people, this is just as the chairman of Onwa East local government area, Aminu Okodo Kadiri, has vehemently stated that his purported impeachment and that of his deputy, Clement Ajebovo, were both unconstitutional and illegal. So, in Onwe, the local government, chaos has erupted, my people, as gunmen allegedly attack bystanders, leaving several people injured. Not be small kata they happen, my people. So now, my people, Kenneth Adodo, the chairman of the council, don't come as gun claim say the government will be say attack those villagers. Say they were policemen from the government house. In Orioho, the councillor impeached the leaders of the house, Daniel Osareme, and they replaced him with Chuks Isan after learning that Osareme was allegedly mobilizing efforts to impeach the chairman, Newman Igwebe, and his deputy, Midwest Ogebo. So Osareme, who had reportedly led a group to seize the council secretariat in Abudu and assumed the role of acting chairman, was accused of illegal actions. So now my people, Ugegbe, through his press secretary, Roy Osareme, rejected the claim, asserting that Ugegbe remained the duly elected chairman of the local government. So the action that took place in the secretariat in Abudu is illegal, and Ugegbe remains the duly elected chairman, according to Waiting They Talk. And now, Akodo Kadiri, speaking to journalists in Benin, expressed his dissatisfaction with the impeachment processes. So he claims that they were fraught with irregularities that violated the law. He can't come out and cite the Edo State Local Government Law of 2000 as amended in 2002, which outlines specific procedures for the removal of council executive. So the impeachment processes violated the law according to Waiting Kadiri Talk. He said none of the stipulated processes were followed. Example, such as presenting allegations signed by 2/3 of councillors, setting up an independent investigative panel, and adhering to timeline during the proceeding. Now, waiting come out, go explain, my people. So the embattled chairman also pointed out that the councillors had failed to establish the required 7-member investigative panel, and he was not given the opportunity to defend himself. So he further argued that the maze used during the impeachment was not the official maze of the Onwa East Local Government Council, which he said invalidated the processes. So refuting the allegation of financial mismanagement, particularly the claim of 50 million being misused for salary payments. Hey, my people, Akodo Kadiri declares, say, this suspension and impeachment are baseless and unconstitutional, that he will rely on the judiciary to extort justice and uphold the rule of law in this matter. That there is an allegation that council chairman embezzled 50 million. 50 million by people. That the 50 million was spent for salaries. But Akodo said this claim lacks merit, that monthly salaries expenditure far exceeding 50 million in most council and salaries were paid promptly up to November, contrary to claim. So he added that if funds were misappropriated, that where is the proof? Say, make Okpebholo show them the proof that their bank records are clear and no salary are owned. So, as he speaks, he said the impeachment processes involved 2 key councillors, Haruna Mohammed and another member from Ward 7, who had been suspended for gross misconduct before the section. That this participation in the process rendered it invalid, and his office was never notified of their restatement as required by due process. Akudokadiri vowed to seek justice, my people, through the judiciary to overturn what they describe as an illegal and politically motivated impeachment. He don't set. So my people don't be spotted though. A lot of people don't come out con they attack Mondo Okpebholo. So waiting do no good. That's Mondo Okpebholo is fighting hard against his own people and state. That what a shame. Does it make him do your work and stop going after people? I've been at the reason why they by force him to become governor. He don't set. Another person can come out because they talk to is too early for Mondo Okpebholo to disorganize PDP foundation in local government area, because it will backfire through the companies in the local government area. My pre-don't set. So I guess I go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make una tell me what I think. I wanna see this matter because the kata never seems to settle in Edo State. Hey, my people, I beg you gonna tell me what I feel, what I think. I wanna see this matter. Let's make it lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying curious. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party has warned commercial banks against conspiring with the state government to alter the signatories of accounts of the suspended council chairman. My people, there was a report that Dr. Anthony Zegbami, chairman of the Edo State People Democratic Party Caretaker Committee, issued the warning at a press conference on Tuesday in Benin City. So, in an address titled, Zegbami alleged that directive by Governor Mondo Okpebholo to bank to change the signatory of the account of local government chairman was to pave the way for the looting of the council funds. So he said they understand. So right now, my people, Anthony don't contracted all banks. Say if any bank obey the directive of Mondo Okpebholo, say the party would have no option than to drag such a bank to court. The Edo State People Democratic Party caretaker chairman also alleged that there are reports of illegal requests for sensitive council documents by unauthorized person in Edo State. So he talks say they are also witnessing another very disturbing trend that the local government chairman are signatory to the account of their various council. So what Governor Mondo Okpebholo and his courts are trying to do is to change the signature of those accounts, making sure that the elected council chairmen that are supposed to be signatory to this account do not have access to those accounts. So they have also witnessed unauthorized attempt to alter signatories to local government accounts, as well as clandestine efforts to withdraw funds from local government accounts without a proper mandate. Anthony Zegbami said there are also reports of illegal requests for sensitive council documents for unauthorized persons. Say they know all those things. So they want to warn the bank that if any of them obey that illegal instruction, that they will charge the bank to court. That if any bank illegally changes the signature of account of the elected local government chairman, the party will institute illegal actions against such bank. According to him, he said the flagrant disregard to the nation's judiciary and the subversion of the constitution by Edo State government in the suspension of the 18 local government chairmen was a serious threat to the country democracy. He added that the action not only undermined the rule of law, but it would also create a dangerous precedent, weakening the entire nation's legal and democratic system. So Anthony Zegbami said what they are witnessing, and they will say this with all sense of responsibility, is an attempt to unlawfully and illegally remove or overthrow an elected tie of government in Edo State, that a component and federating unit of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, contrary to Section 1(2) of the Constitution and judiciary orders. So PDP say make APC no trial, make Mondo Okpebholo no trial. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like on your next. Bye for now.